everyone. We are the last presenter and we are going to present to you our research entitled Assessment of Basic Computer Literacy Skills of the Grade 11 Students in Cantacaran National High School. And to formally start, let me introduce to myself and my co-researchers. Mr. Masada, Mr. Vitonio, Ramos, Cosilero, Ms. Yokusin, Dictawa, Mr. Flores, Solano, Gatab, Valdez, Galanza, and I am Ms. Morales. And for the introduction, we have Mr. Flores who will discuss.
Introduction. First out, they did that there were 5 million employee computers. Users were broke. Each amounted to 64.6% of the global population. Indeed, computers play a significant role in all activities and aspects of living in society. As it is indispensable in all its business, education, and personal life. Computers affect every aspect of our lives, in every sector of global society. Thus, they are essential to anyone to integrate the 21st century society. In the senior high school, it is necessity to learn how to
The main purpose of the study is to assess computer literacy skills of grade 11. This study seeks answer to the following questions.
Number 1. What is the geographic profile of the computer system? 1.1 is 1.26. 1.3 gadgets available at home and 1.4 daily time virtual gadgets. What is the level of achievement of the senior high school students in terms of topic 1 basic computer literacy skills, topic 2 word processing skills, topic 3 language communication skills. Number 3. What program is related to address the challenges and solving the national grade 11 student computer literacy skills?
Theoretical framework. This study is framed within the principles of the cognitive feasibility theory. One of the theories which fall under the constructivist approach according to Michael J. also framed. This theory understands the answers to the critical questions because the principles of the theory provide a principal method of reaching and serving the knowledge.
This means that when students grasp different skills during computer literacy lesson, the teacher should emphasize the skills they are learning and to solve practical problems in the future.
Scope of the education. This study covered the grade 11 students of Cantacaran National High School in the school year 2023-2024. Out of 60 grade 11 students, the researchers selected only 34 students to participate in this study through the university.
Each of the 34 respondents have one-on-one computer literacy skills use the survey questionnaire as the main gathering tool.
Research design. The researchers is descriptive research design. According to Moxo, 2021, descriptive research design is a method of research design that aims to systematically describe a numerical theory.
In the descriptive research design, the researcher does not use or manipulate any part.
The research uses heuristic to obtain the sample size. According to Festival and Directors, Johnson 19, heuristic is a preference for the don't adapt for sample size, sample number of sampling was used to select respondents to this study.
Heuristic is a rule of thumb, strategies, and shortcuts in decision making. Additionally, the researcher uses simple random sampling in which the sample is selected using the unit with the equal probability of selection for which unit are each known. Moreover, the researchers use wishful technique to select respondents, where the researchers use numbers to represent every student. Chapter 4. Presentation Analysis Identification of Data. This table, it shows the profile of the respondent, where in the age, the majority of the respondents are 16 years old. Most of them are female, which consists of 18 or 52.94%. All of the students uses their mobile phones rather than desktop or laptop. And majority of them are exposed to their gadgets below 1 hour daily. Table 3.1. Weighted mean of the grade 11 students in basic computer literacy. This table shows the weighted mean of the grade 11 students in basic computer literacy, where they obtain a score of 1.46 with a verbal interpretation of variable. The most dominant skill of the grade 11 students in basic computer literacy is item number 4. Item number 3, able to use mouse properly, with the verbal interpretation of basic, which consists of 1.97%. And the least skill of the grade 11 students is item number 5, which is ability to install software, with a verbal interpretation of very low. And this indicates that the students doesn't know how to download or install software applications to their computers. Weighted mean of the grade 11 students in word processing. This table shows the weighted mean of the grade 11 students in word processing, which obtained a 1.48 average with a verbal interpretation of very low. And the most dominant skill of the grade 11 students in word processing is item number 2, which is open and close a document. And the least dominant skill is item number 6, which is delete folder. And this means that the students doesn't know how to delete folders or remove folders from their files. Table 3.3. Weighted mean of the grade 11 students in slideshow presentation. The table showed that the students have gained a 1.55 average in slideshow presentation with a verbal interpretation of very low. And the most dominant skill of the students in slideshow presentation is item number 7, which is creating the slides. And the least dominant skill of the students in slideshow presentation is item number 3, which is add music and videos with verbal interpretation of very low. And this indicates that the students doesn't know how to insert or add music and videos or pictures to their presentations in their presentations. Program proposal. Our program proposal is entitled Empowering Students Basic Computer Literacy Program. And this program aims to enhance the computer literacy of the students. It aims to improve the performance level of students in different learning areas. And the target beneficiaries of this program is the grade 11 students of the Tangalan National University. Conclusion. Based on the findings of the study, the researchers have concluded that number 1, the majority of the grade 11 students were 16 years old and most of them were female. All of them have their mobile phones and exposed to their gadgets below 1 hour daily. Additionally, the students uses their mobile phones rather than computers. That's why they have low computer literacy. Number 2, according to the studies, the grade 11 students, computer literacy in terms of basic computer literacy, word practicing, and slideshow presentation is very low. And this means that the students still need to improve and enhance their computer literacy, and they need to engage more in hands-on computer literacy tests to improve their performance level.
In light of the pandemic and control and the following utilization by strongly required.
Grade 11 students ng Tangalan ng Limang High School must engage in computer literacy lessons where they can gain enough knowledge on how to operate computers. Computer lessons where they can be facilitated in a way that they create documents, communicate, and problem using computers. The Nantangalan National High School teachers specifically information and communication technology. Teachers can employ strategies to help students improve their computer skills and demonstrating students how to use different software programs. The teachers will allow the students to have a hands-on computer activities during their computer subjects. Future researchers need to go to important studies scope including more variables to gather more precise data. This is the end of our
Screen record ko na lang.